Most of the people will tell you that UPSC is unpredictable exam. They are fool and they also want to make you the fool. In really, UPSC is very easy exam. Just you have to analyze the last year questions of prelims and mains. Then you will understand that UPSC is asking on major topic. So in this video we will discuss the major topic of geography subject of prelims exam. In other video we will discuss about the other subject also. So before reading the books you can just go through all these major topic. Just read all these major topic. Don't remember it by heart. Just see these topic before reading the books. If you have already read the books, then you can also watch this video and read these topics. Once you will read the topic, you will understand that on these topics question has been framed in the prelims. So let's start. In the world geography, you will see that UPSC have asked the question on forest, its types, features and location, just like a tropical forest, temperate forest and boreal forest, etc. And you will also see the question on desert belt, just like the types of desert and the famous desert like Sahara desert, Arctic desert, Arabian desert, Gobi desert, Victoria desert, etc. Location of countries between the sea. I have already made some video on this. You have to remember that which country is located in the sea. Sea like Red Sea, Black Sea, Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, etc. Climate condition in different region. You have to remember the climate condition in the different region like arid climate, tundra climate, temperate climate, mild climate, Mediterranean climate, polar chill climate, etc. Famous mountain like Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga. These things you should know. River and their location. You have to know about the major river of the world and also of India like Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, etc. Now move to the Indian geography. As I already told about the mountains and river location, you have to know about the major mountain like Nile, Amazon, Mississippi, Mekong, etc. and river location, which comes under both river location and mountain. I have told about the both. Crop, you have to know about the crop like food grains like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, millet, etc. and cash crop like cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, oilseed. Plantation crop like tea, coffee, coconut. These crops are found in which area, which type of climate they need. In India, where they found. These are the things you have to know. Wetland, you have to know about the wetland. Famous wetland. Just like Chilka Lake, Loktak Lake, Sambar Lake, Vular Lake, Bhoj Lake, Kyoladeo National Park, etc. I have already told about the mountain and national park. There are more than 100 national parks, so it is difficult to remember the name of all. So only see those national parks which appears in the news, and question will come from only news. Wildlife sanctuary, same law applicable for this, and biosphere reserve also. Soil conservation method you have to know. National highway, famous national highway from which city to which city, you have to know this also. Just like national highway 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 44, these are the famous one. And the next topic is forest. You have to know about the forest like tropical forest, temperate forest, boreal forest. Agriculture, farming, sustainable agriculture practice, tribes, rivers and dams. Famous tribes of India you have to know, rivers and dams you have to know, Ramsar site you have to know, power station, national highway I already told, railways and hills and mountains, census 2011, valley, mangrove, coral reef sites, mineral which are found in which state, ports, river, tributaries, etc. Now move to the universe. In the universe, we have to know about the atmosphere, different layer of the atmosphere, day and night variation, asteroid and comets, earthquake, cyclone. You have to also know about the major earthquake prone region in India and the world: cyclone, La Nina, El Nino, westerlies, ocean current, temperature, rainfall, etc. Thank you for watching. Please watch other video also.